Hello, my name is Shuji, Japanese chef. I'm making deep fried eggplant and served with the tempura dipping sauce with grated daikon. So let's make the sauce for the eggplant dish, deep fried eggplant, dashi tofu. We need to make a tempura dipping sauce. Okay, this is mirin, sweet. It's made of sweet rice and shochu, Japanese spirit. Look, it is sweet and it's got alcohol. 50 ml. 50 ml. Bring it to boil and then add to it the same amount of usukuchi soy sauce. Usukuchi soy sauce is lighter in color than normal all-purpose soy sauce, but it is slightly saltier than the, as it starts to boil, tilt to flambe to allow alcohol, goodbye alcohol, gone with the flame. Adding to it the same amount of usukuchi soy sauce and just turn off the heat. And then 200 ml Ichiban dashi, first dashi. So ratio is 1 part mirin and 1 part usukuchi soy sauce and 4 parts Ichiban dashi stock makes the tempura dipping sauce. And just bring it to a boil once, and you can keep it in the fridge for up to 3 to 4 days. It depends on how cold your fridge is. My fridge is 1 to 2 degrees. So starts to boil. Done. Just let's taste the tempura dipping sauce. You don't normally drink it, you just dip tempura in, you dip something and you eat something, with. Today we are going to eat it with deep fried eggplant. Good on. Sauce is done.